For today's video, I will show you how to create Twitter or X account. So, let's begin. So here's the first thing we need to do. Now, step 1 is we need to provide our name or your name, especially the birth date. Okay? After filling in this information, we will go to step 2, which is step 2 is we can customize our experience at this stage. Track where you see X content across the web. So here there's a lot of information for you to read and understand. And by signing up, you agree to the terms and conditions of the X. If you agree on that, just click on next. Now from here, we're almost done at step 3. All right, we just have to finalize some information. And after we are sure about that, let's click on sign up down below. And you will receive a notification window like this. Authenticate your account. And X would like to make sure that you are a real person. All I'm going to do is click on authenticate right here. Click on that. Gonna go some few tests for you to be able to move forward. And then moving forward, we need to choose a unique username if required by the platform and verify your account through email or phone number. Okay. Now, the next thing is we need to complete our profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and other relevant information. All right. Now, before we get started on posting here on the X, remember guys that X is Twitter's rebranded identity. All right. And basically, the Twitter replaced the iconic Bluebird logo with a stylized X right here. All right. And it removed the Twitter name from its website, apps, and headquarters. Now, even X.com redirects to Twitter.com. All right. And the one thing is, the founder hopes that Twitter could turn into an everything app, called X, which would offer everything from social networking and broadcasting to banking and even shopping. Right? Now, a lot of you might have different opinion on why did Twitter become X. All right? But for me, X is entirely different from Twitter in the past. And it will become much more than a social media networking platform. If you have like an account in Twitter, it will still retain the account because they plan to make it a super app for messaging, banking, shopping, and much more. On the other hand, Twitter has been a free social media networking site mainly used to tweet and stay updated on current news and events, right? Now, when you go here at this section, you can download the X logo, all right? And also the logo handle lockups. Simply download here if you wanted to use it for non-commercial use. Logo partnership lockups, all right? Use these to show your partnership with X. And you can also download this top. You can use these templates when you want to share a post. Always use real posts and don't alter or modify them in any way, not even with spell check, right? They also have a special department for marketing. All right. If you want to start advertising here, tap this one right here. Say, for example, you want to grow your small and medium business, get started as a creator, advertise on X, and explore other products. All right. But of course, your account must get verified first by subscribing to either X Premium or verified organizations to run ads on X. And if you want to sign up to enjoy advertising on X, all you're gonna do is click on get verified here. When you click get verified, you will be redirected to a new page. For individuals, they have the X Premium, a subscription service that elevates quality conversations on X. If you want, you can sign up for X Premium. Or for organizations, verified organizations, the most trusted place on the internet for organizations to reach their followers, sign up for this one. So they have different membership plans: basic tier, premium tier, and premium plus tier. Right? You can always upgrade to premium plus, where you can enjoy additional benefits like no ads in for you and following timelines and largest reply here. If you want more information, I suggest you go here. All right. The business has also have a non-profit will receive a gold check mark in Square Avatar. Now for government or multilateral organization will receive a gray check mark in Square Avatar, as we can see it here. So here are some samples for verified organizations portal. And if you want to get started, why not click for sign up for X Premium. If you want to know more about the terms of service here in X, I suggest you go here. All right. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.